Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you can enjoy a beautiful design about korashia. Korashia hand embroidery is a traditional Croatian embroidery technique that is characterized by its intricate geometric pattern and bright colors. It's named after the island of Korčula, where it is thought to have originated. Croatian embroidery is typically done on white lines or cotton fabric. The embroiderer uses a variety of stitches including cross stitch, chain stitch and back stitch to create intricate designs. The most common patterns are geometric shapes like as diamonds, triangles and squares. Flowers and other natural motifs are also popular. Crocheted embroidery is often used to decorate traditional Croatian clothing like blouses, skirts, and vests. It is also used to make home decor items like tablecloths, napkins, and pillowcases. Crocheted hand embroidery is a beautiful and unique art form that has been passed down for generations. It is a symbol of Croatian culture and heritage. Some example of creative uses for crochet hand embroidery. First of all, crochet embroidery wedding dress or veil, crochet embroidery pillowcase for a nursery. Third one is crochet embroidery tablecloth for a special occasions. And fourth one is crochet embroidery frame for a family photo. And also a crochet embroidery tote bag or backpack. Last one is crochet embroidery patches to decorate clothing or other items. Crochet and embroidery is a versatile art form that can be used to create beautiful and unique items for any occasions. I hope this video is like and beautiful. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.